Morning everyone. Today I'm shooting a video of my sawmill. So I got it all set up here. I'd like to have it set up on the ground now. I think it's a little tough getting logs up here, but I use the skid steer, get them up here. So I'm going to demonstrate how this thing works. It's the HM130 Max. It cuts 30-inch live edge boards, Woodland mills. So I got electric start and automatic power head. So the automatic power head lifts and raises the blade. So I'll show you here. We got the control and I'm gonna drop it down. I'm just gonna cut about a 3/4 inch board. Pretty easy to get accurate with this. Normally I'd have some lines on here, but just showing you how it works. So it's got electric start. It's got a throttle over here on the handle, push handle. Move the machine forward with your body. I'm just walking along here. I got the board clamped down. They're pretty easy to operate. The backside has stops on it. You want to make sure that you have them down lower than the cutting head. It automatically goes back to idle. You slide your board off. Pretty consistent cut. And you can make pretty thin boards with this, guys. I mean, really, I think you can make up to, make them as thin as an 1/8 inch. Just raise the head a little bit to come back over the top of the board. Cut one more really thin one here to see how thin we can get it. See what that looks like. About a 1/4 inch thick, all the way up. I mean, it'll pull for you. Probably make barrel sides with this. Yeah, pretty awesome machine, guys. If you got some extra wood, like I do, it might come in handy. Check it out, Woodland Mills HM130 Max, guys. Hell of a sawmill. Thanks for watching.